All right, so February the 18th, Newmarket, here for mouse restation filling on the outside station. So here we go. We'll get a little inspection done as well, and we'll just see what's happening. As you can see here on the house and the garage, you've got some gaps underneath the weather strip, and that's a lot of ways that a mice can get into a house. So you see the gap there, and that's just all we need for mice to get in. Another burrow hole, getting themselves down underneath the deck. Very commonplace for mice, snakes, and bugs to get into a house are through the weeping vent of a house. Weeping vents are so important on a house, as they allow your bricks to expand and contract as they get wet with water, and allows the water to leave the house, and so your bricks don't decay over time. But it's also a good source for snakes, mice, hornets, and wasps to get into a house. Another favorite spot. Another spot for rodents and other animals to get in are uncapped pipes into the house. As you can see, we're missing two here. Small birds will sometimes get into this, along with your rodents. Another favorite spot for wildlife, squirrels, birds, mice, sometimes even bats. And if the wall vent's big enough, we can get raccoons into it. One of the biggest, worst things that we can do for rodents and wildlife is for us to feed the birds. As pretty as birds are, and as much as we want to feed them, birds are really sloppy in their intake. And as you can see, we have a lot of seed overspray on the ground, which allows all wildlife and rodents to get into a house and hang out in a backyard.